This video will go over our college to university transfer programs. At Ontario Tech, we have two college to university transfer programs, Bridge and Advanced Entry. So how do the Bridge programs work? Well, first you would be applying through OUAC. Then after we get your documents, you can receive an offer from Ontario Tech. And then you would go ahead and accept that offer through OUAC. After you've accepted your offer, we give you a specified block of transfer credit in recognition of your diploma. And then you would start in your Bridge classes. Once you successfully complete your Bridge classes, you just get to continue into your third year of the program. Now, how does this compare with advanced entry programs? So similarly, you would apply through OUAC, wait till you get an offer, and then accept it through OUAC. The difference here is you receive a specified block of transfer credits, and then you just start in upper year standing of your program. So if you were to receive 2 years worth of transfer credit, which would be 20 courses, then you would start in third year of your program. So I'll just be going over each faculty and the types of college to university transfer programs that we offer in that faculty. So in the Faculty of Business and Information Technology, we offer our Commerce Bridge and Commerce Advanced Entry program. So for the Commerce Bridge program, we do accept any Ontario College diploma, and you get 15 courses towards your degree. And for the Advanced Entry program, we take an Ontario Advanced Business Administration diploma. We also have our Information Technology Bridge and Advanced Entry programs. For the specific requirements and diplomas that we accept, just visit ontariotechu.ca/pathways. And then we also have a Game Development Bridge. In our Faculty of Education, we have our undergraduate diploma. So this is just a 1 year in length program, which is completely online. You can have any diploma to get into that. And then we also have our Educational Studies and Digital Technology Advanced Entry program. So this program is completely online, and it's 2 years in length if you do it on a full-time basis, and you can get in with any Ontario College diploma. In the Faculty of Health Science, we have our Kinesiology Advanced Entry program. It is 3 years in length or 6 semesters. And to be eligible, you need a diploma in health promotion or occupational therapy assistant or physiotherapy assistant. One of our most competitive programs is our post-RPN nursing program, which is 3 years in length, which requires Ontario College diploma in practical nursing. We also have an allied health science program. This program is only available part-time, but it is fully online, and you receive almost an entire 2 years worth of transfer credit. Our Faculty of Science has our Biological Science Advanced Entry program or our Computer Science Advanced Entry program. Our Faculty of Social Science and Humanities, every program has a pathway program, as you can see here. To see the specific diploma programs that are accepted for each of these, you would visit ontariotechu.ca/pathways. They each have several programs that are acceptable, so it's best just to look on the website. They all grant you 20 courses worth of transfer credit, and you would start in third year of the program and finish in 2 years. So we have some very specific college to university transfer programs. Our Medical Laboratory Science Bridge requires a biotechnology advanced diploma from specifically Fleming College or Durham College, and you do get 13 courses towards the 40 course degree. And then for our social science and humanities, with criminology and justice, communication, forensic psychology, political science, and legal studies, Durham College has a certificate called General Arts and Science Liberal Arts Ontario Tech Transfer from Durham College. and it's 1 year at Durham College, and you get 10 courses of transfer, which is 1 full year, and then you would do the next 3 years at Ontario Tech. So if you want to see any more details about our transfer programs, you would visit ontariotechu.ca/pathways. It does outline specifically any specific diploma requirements that we require for each of the programs that we listed. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at futurestudents@ontariotechu.ca.